Hello my dear students, now today we see the false position method, or we also say it as a regular fallacy method. In previous lecture we see the bisection method. Okay, so now we see the false position method to find the root of the equation. Okay, so in this method we choose two trivial points x0 and x1 such that f of x0 or and f of x1 have a opposite signs. Suppose we take f of x0 greater than 0 and f of x1 less than 0. In this method, now we take a point A, x, f of x0, and B, x, here x0 f of x0, and B point be the x1 f of x1. Okay, and we connect these 2 points by a straight line. Okay, so we connect these 2 points by a straight line. See the figure here. So we take here y axis, and this is the x axis, here origin O. Suppose we take here point A, this is x0, so x0 point, and this is the x1 point. Okay, so see, here we take B point x1, f of x1, and here A point x0, f of x0, and we connect these 2 points by straight line. Okay, so now we find the point where the line curved the x-axis. So here we take this point x2 point. Okay, again we find f of x2 and see f of x2 is greater than 0 or less than 0. If f of x2 is greater than 0, then the search interval be the x0, x2, and if f of x2 is less than 0, then the search interval be the x2, x1. Okay, and we repeat this process till up to the we repeated this process till the root is obtained to the desired accuracy. Okay, this is the regular fallacy method. So we find formula for the regular fallacy method. See here, we join this point. This is the x1 point, this is x0 point, and this is x2 point. We take here angle with the theta angle, and see, we find the formula. We rub this, so we write here, right, tan theta. We find the value of the, now we find the formula for the false position method. So we find tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, we know tan theta be the front side divided by the adjacent side. So we find the front side here, see the theta, we find the angle theta. So front side we have to find this distance, and this distance be the f of x1 distance, because here x1 comma 0 point. Okay, so see y distance, this is the y distance, so we take it as a f of x1 minus 0. We get the distance be the f of x1 divided by this x distance. Okay, adjacent side distance be the x1 minus x2. Here point will be the x2 comma 0. X distance be the x1 minus x2. So we get here x1 minus x2. Now we know tan theta be the slope of the line, so we find slope of the line which is joining by the 2 points. A point be the x naught f of x naught and B point be the x1 f of x1. So we take the slope be the f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus काय येणार आहे x naught point. This is x1 minus x naught and f of x1 minus f of x2. So we equate these two terms, f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught, which is equal to f of x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Cross multiply, we get x1 minus x2 into f of x1 minus f of x naught, which is equal to f of x1 into x1 minus x naught. Okay, so see, we get in the next step this term we get here x1 minus x2, which is equal to f of x1 into x1 minus x naught divided by this term here multiply, so in this side which is divide, f of x1 minus f of x naught. Okay, so x1 minus x2, which is equal to multiply this term to the this, we get x1 into f of x1 minus f of minus x naught into f of x1. Okay, so divide by f of x1 minus f of x naught. So see here we get this step, this is here multiply, so in this side which is divide to this term, so we get and we multiply to the bracket by the f of x1, we get x1 into f of x1 minus x naught into f of x1 divide by f of x1 minus f of x naught. Okay, so see in the next step, now we write x1 minus x1 f of x1 minus x naught f of x1 divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught, which is equal to x2. See here this term we take here this side, so which is negative, and here minus x2, so this side which is a positive x2. So we again take a cross multiplication to this, we get 1 into this and 1 x1 into this, so we get x1 into f of x1 minus x1, here minus, so we write minus x1 into f of x naught minus into this will be the x1 f of x1, here 1 into this and this minus, so we take here minus 1 into this x naught f of x1, but here minus into minus with the plus, so we get plus x naught f of x1 divide by f of 1 into this f of x1 minus f of x naught, which is equal to x2. So see here x1 into f of x1 plus and minus x1 into f of x1, this will be cancelled. We take here positive term first, so we write here x naught into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught, which is equal to 2. This is our formula for the false position method, which is here x2, which is the formula for the false position method. Okay, thank you.